You know, we'll be the first Floogals to set foot on that brilliant blue marble called Earth.
Whoa, it is blue.
That's because about 70% of the Earth's surface is covered by water.
Then it's a good thing I packed these.
Yeah.
Looks like we can land in that empty field down there.
Oh, any old Floogal can land in an empty field, First Officer Flo. Are we any old Floogals?
No, sir.
But
Hold on tight.
I'm okay.
Floogals, let me be the first to welcome you to Lava Floog. It's a
Monster!
wait, it's not a monster.
What is it, Flo?
It's a human.
What's a human?
Curiosity has landed.
Beautiful.
What is it?
Floogals, Monday to Friday, 5:30 on 2.